Okay, greens with envy this morning, welcoming in spring and winter goodbye. We got new buds and new growth on our wonderful plum tree this morning. Hey, you have to do that on camera. This is our, come here. Woo! What's going on, Zeke? What's going on, big boy? Hey, Zadie. These are our amazing coyote dogs. Yeah. They're working them coyotes last night. They're tired. They worked hard chasing them old nasty. Down, down. This is Zeke. Half Irish Wolfhound, half Pyrenees. They're brother and sister, but from different litters. And she's gonna be ready to be a mama here in a couple months, maybe.